In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to do a price change via bulk upload. First, open the spreadsheet you have saved. Go to Prices and update your prices for each item. Save your spreadsheet. Go to the system and log in. Go to Price Postings, click it. Go to Bulk Upload, click it. You can drag your spreadsheet here, or you can click in the box and select your spreadsheet. Click Open. Go to Upload and click it. There will be a confirmation that you want to make these price changes. Click Yes. And now your new prices will be pending. Please see our other tutorials on how to use the online beer price posting system.